We're going to look at a couple of exercises, namely the chest press and some variations using the progressive stabilization system to highlight some of the key differences. So when we set up, we're looking for the cables to be at shoulder height or just below, given that when we split the stance, we lower down just a little bit. So we're going to start with fully stabilized. So we're going to bring the pad up to just below the scapula or in line with the shoulder blades. So we're going to come in and just check that that's about the right position. Okay, looks good. And one of the key things when we get into this is to grab the cable safely. Is we're going to take the handle, pull into the shoulder, and roll around the pad when you go to get the other handle. Yep. So you roll around the pad, grab the handle, pull into the shoulders. Now you're in a nice safe position. Yep. Exactly the same, just to reverse when you're finished. Okay. Go ahead, you're all up. So fully stabilized is going to feel somewhat similar to using a traditional machine. Okay, so we're up, we rolled around the pad, we're up in position. Feet can come back, just stand up nice and tall as you would. Elbows up to start, great. I'm just going to squash my finger right there. That's it. Come slowly back to here, great. And bring your hands apart first, okay? So bring your hands out. Yep, that's it, good. One or two more of those. So this is very similar to a fully stabilized chest press, either on a machine or on a bench with cables or with dumbbells. Okay, you can relax. So how does that feel with full stability in terms of challenge? Reasonably comfortable? And what we're going to go ahead and do is actually just up the weight 1 or 2 plates, your choice, either side. Because we've got the full stability, we can actually manage greater loads. Now that allows us to achieve different things in terms of targeting muscles and the outcome of targeting those key muscles. Okay, so rolling around the pad exactly as we did before, perfect. Yep. So now we're using a greater weight in terms of time and load. We may get into a target time and load if that's what we want. So elbows come up to start, press out, perfect. How's that feel? Yep. So we're stabilized, we're standing straight up, and we've got a great chest press fully stabilized, perfect. Okay, you can relax and roll around the pad when you're done. Perfect. So we're going to go from fully stabilized in the next clip to freestanding, which you'll see a lot of people advocate as part of their training system.